Hi, in this lesson we will learn how to use lambda to create a custom function. Let's say we need to create a function that multiply 3 digits. So using lambda is 2 steps. The first step is to define how many parameters lambda will take. So in this file, or in this example, I need lambda to take 3 information. So I'm going to add 3 variables. Let's say A, B, C. If I finish a variable, I can start adding my calculation. So my calculation is A multiplied by B multiplied by C. Now if I hit enter, I will get a calculation error because so far we don't have any value for A or B or C. If I need to test lambda function, I have to open a new brackets and refer to the 3 information. Lambda is supposed to be used in a different way. After you create lambda function and test it and you are sure it's working, you have to copy the lambda formula and add a name to carry the lambda function. So let's say I'm going to name this one as custom multiply. Now if I hit OK, if I go to any cell and start typing custom multiply, then I can refer to the 3 digits and I end with the same result. Lambda is very helpful if you have a very complicated formula and you want to hide the whole formula and give the user the result. Let's say we have something like ranking, and according to the digit, let us random some digit. I'm going to copy and paste them as value just to remove the formula. Now we need to create if statement, so equal ifs if this value A7 is greater than 90, he is excellent or A. If A7 is greater than 80, is very good, and so on. Let's add 2 more. So if this one is greater than 70, he is good. If A7 is greater than 60, he just pass. If A7 less than 60, he is failed. Let's test. It's working fine. So now I need to replace this one with my rank. So right now, if you look to this formula, we have only one variable, which is A7. So if I copy all this without the equal sign, if I create a lambda function which takes only one parameter, so it's A, here is my current formula. So instead of A7, it will be, it can be anything. It can be mark, any variable. So I'm going to make it A, so A, 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 A. So we create a function that take only one parameters and run all this information. So of course now we have a calculation value, but if I try, let's say 90, I can see very good. So my lambda function is working fine. So now I can copy all this, Control C, create, define a name. Let's say my rank, college rank, Control V, Okay, now if I try here to my rank, why is it coming? Name managers. NY, okay, it's okay. New York rank, okay. If I try this one, I'll get the same, exactly the same result, and my real formula is hidden under the name manager, and we just have a small name that we call all this formula.